Mixed numbers and conversions. Diabetes. So the MAD method to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. So M, right, when we think of the MAD method, M is for multiply. And you're going to go ahead and multiply the denominator and the whole number together. And then A is going to be for add. And we're going to add the product, so the product from the denominator and whole number being multiplied, to the numerator. And then D is for denominator. And so the denominator stays the same. So example 1, Felix was recently diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. His doctor has prescribed that he take 1 3/4 units of insulin every day. Convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. So when we look at M, right, we're going to go ahead and multiply this 1 and this 4 together. So we have 1 times 4, and that's 4. So A, right, so we're going to add the product from this, right? Take this 4, and then we're going to add it to this 3. What does that become? Well, that becomes 7. So that becomes our new numerator. And then D's, we're going to keep the same denominator, right? So we're just going to keep it as 4, right? This is the same denominator. And then we're just going to go ahead and use this 7, put it right there. So our new improper fraction is 7/4. Example 2, convert 3 5/7 to an improper fraction. So we have 3 5/7. So what we're going to do is go ahead and multiply these numbers together, right? So we get 3 times 7, and we get 21. And then we're going to take 21, add it with this 5. So we get plus 5. So we can see where this is coming from, right? And then that is equal to 26. And that becomes our new numerator. And then we're just going to keep our denominator. So we have 26/7. Now let's go ahead and look at the next example. Example 3. We're going to change a fraction into a mixed number. And we do this by divide the numerator by the denominator. And then the remainder is the new numerator. And we always keep the same denominator. And then we can reduce if possible. So there are around 68 kilograms of insulin in every 1 unit. If the doctor ordered 98/68 of a daily dose to a patient, convert the improper fraction into a mixed number. So what are we going to do? We're going to take this 98 and divide it by 68. Well, 68 can go into 98 one time. And that's 68 right there, because 68 times 1 is 68. We subtract, we get 30. So now, this is our whole number, right? And this is our new numerator. And we're going to just keep the same denominator. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 1 and 30/68, because we keep the denominator, right? And then we can actually reduce because both of these numbers are even. So if we reduced it, 15/34, right? Because we just divided by 2 on both the top and bottom, right? A whole factor of 2. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. 68 divided by 2 is 34. So this would be our solution. So let's go ahead and look at the next example. So example 4, we're going to convert 15 over 4 into a mixed number. So we're going to take 15 and divide it by 4. Well, 4 can go into 15 3 times, because 4 times 3 is 12. We subtract, we get 3. So now this 3 on the top is our whole number, right? And this is our numerator. And this is our denominator that we're going to keep. So 3 and 3/4, and that would be our solution.